In today's lesson, we're going to learn about present tense in English. The present tense is used to talk about things that are true now, things we do regularly, and sometimes even things that will happen in the future. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand 4 types of present tense, with examples for each one. Let's begin. In English, tenses tell us when an action happens. There are 3 main time categories: past, present, and future. Today, we focus only on the present tense, which has 4 types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Let's start with the simple present tense. Form: plural subjects, which is subject plus base verb. Examples: I eat, they watch. Singular subjects, subject plus verb plus s or es. Examples: she eats, he watches. When do we use simple present? To state facts or general truths. Examples: my mother is a teacher. The sun rises in the east. To talk about routines or habits. Examples: my father drinks coffee every morning. He goes jogging every Wednesday. To talk about future events on a schedule. Examples: he leaves for Tokyo on Saturday. The competition starts in March. Next is the present continuous tense. Form: subject plus verb to be plus verb, ing. Examples: I am eating, they are studying, she is writing. When do we use present continuous? Actions happening right now. Examples: I am surfing the internet, she is writing an essay. Actions happening over a period of time. Examples: she is working part-time at a restaurant, they are studying at the same university. Planned future actions. Examples: he is leaving for Tokyo on Saturday. The competition is starting in March. Now let's move to the present perfect tense. Form: subject plus have or has plus past participle. Examples: they have lived here for 8 years. He has written his essay. When do we use present perfect? Actions that started in the past and continue now. Examples: Jasmine has been sick since last week. They have lived in Kuala Lumpur for 8 years. Actions completed, but time is not mentioned. Examples: he has written his essay. The last one is present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been working since this morning. She has been waiting for an hour. When do we use it? This tense is used for unfinished actions that started in the past and are still continuing now, usually temporary actions. Examples: I have been working on the assignment since this morning. Marissa has been waiting for her food for about 1 hour. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.